SPF, DKIM, DMARC configured. Our experts set up configured SPF, DKIM, and DMARC for better inbox placement, not spam folders. Number 3, 24/7 top support. Our expert team delivers 24/7 top-notch support, ensuring you have assistance whenever you need it, day or night. Number 4, blacklisting auto-checking. Worried about getting blacklisted? Don't be. We've got automatic checks in place to protect your reputation as a sender. Now, let's talk about our prices. smtpget.com, you can get your dedicated bulletproof SMTP server for just $50, allowing 1,000 emails per hour. But wait, we also have premium plans for $185, which lets you send 3,000 emails per hour. For more about our plans, visit smtpget.com. But wait, there's more. Our SMTP server is compatible with all the major desktop software, such as Outlook, Interspire, SendBlaster, GameDine, and many others. If you want to know more, just visit our website at smtpget.com or WhatsApp us at the link given below in the description.
Okay, welcome everyone. Welcome to today's live. We are trading gold today. Okay, this is my sell zone. This is my sell zone for gold. Okay, so
once you set your span,
I'm just trying
you're
to.
looking at your chart. You might see things that improve your trading, yet you can't really explain those to other people. That's called discretion. And that's one of the most important things when it comes to trading. That's really what makes traders like really stand out or really become very profitable.
Looking at Bitcoin. It's gonna be far. I'll put Vice on here. Bitcoin buy zone here. Okay. So this keep first. How often do you go live? I go live every day. Okay, go live every day. This is gonna be a long waiting setup for Bitcoin, but yeah, I'm gonna wait. We have fair value gap and what and support that it respected, so it's not gonna respect it for the next time. It's gonna fail. Okay, so I'm gonna break this zone back out. Probably head here to take the first buy. Yeah, so I'm marking all those points. But if it does take out the liquidity and sweep, then it will be heading here. So I can see this as buy 2. I can put here as monitor zone. Possible buy. Buy points. Right on this 91,333. Okay, so that's Bitcoin. If I'm gonna buy here, put my stop loss at this point here. Then if I'm gonna buy here, my stop loss will just be here. So just 94. Let's just put it on 95. I need to get sniper entry. Come on, edit, bro. This motherfucker doesn't want to edit. It doesn't want to edit. So that's Bitcoin. So good. This is the sell zone for good. Listing something for trading. So this is where I'm gonna be waiting for gold today. That's for this. I don't know what's wrong with you. I want to edit you. Gold doesn't want to be edited. Fine. Good. Possible buy point for Bitcoin. Stop loss here. Fail. Main buy zone. Full margin. Okay. Let's send it to my community. Bitcoin. So we have both Bitcoin and gold today, bro. Yeah, we're gonna be waiting for both Bitcoin and gold. This is Bitcoin buying here first. Take our liquidity fails, then I'll buy full margin here. Then for gold, this is my sell zone. The same 46.17 has been the zone for both my buy zone for yesterday, which failed. Then waited for retest and we sold, got almost 300 pips from there. Then it still broke out again and retested again, got another 300 plus pips. So it's still the same zone I'm gonna be selling again today. Okay, so that's it for gold. It's almost there already. I think we have like 50 pips away. 50 pips away. Okay, we're almost there at the sell zone for gold and Bitcoin. It's the same thing, so I'm gonna be waiting for both of them today. I listed something for trading. How often do you? Okay, please increase your value. Okay, I think I've done all that. So let's head to some social media posting first. Message and stop calling me. Why are you still calling me till now? 1 hour ago. Okay. Hey. Growth. Say they're only here for good. Okay. That's not bad. You can be here for anyone he wants. So but they're gonna be trading boats. Let's see. Where is my social media? Is this X? Open the. Oh no. Not this. It's almost there. Some few peeps to go, guys. Get ready. Get ready, get ready, get ready. Original. We would like to hear your opinion on that here on live. You went silent yesterday in the comments after you asked reason for good to buy or from. Oh, wait, I replied. I was waiting for everyone's opinion, but I later replied with the answer. Okay, so go back to the community and check. I did reply the answer. I waited for everyone, and also I was watching my club football, so my club lost in that match, which is Chelsea. So that was why I went silent, because I can't join pleasure with trading. Okay, that's it. Where are we now? Okay, almost in the zone. Almost there, almost there, almost there. You just have just like 30 more pips to entry. Let's see. I hope it reaches my zone. I won't be happy if it doesn't. I need it to reach that zone. Oh, come on. Get into that zone, bro. 17 is the goal. Come on. Don't just reverse on me from there. Almost. Keep going, bro. Okay. Sorry for the loss, bro. Yeah. Okay, someone is laughing at me. My club lost. That's crazy. No problem. It's on me. Man, that was sad. Well, it's not that huge because there's second leg. So I should be expecting more from them to play for in the second leg. Well, good is trying to get shy of our entry point, but who cares? We're gonna wait for it. What's that? So that is it. Quality. Where is your entry? My entry is on 17 on the dots. Okay, 17 on the dots, and my stop loss will just be just here. The 50 pips only. I'm not risking more than that. Just there. Let me try to go live on TikTok. Let me add my balance. Okay, almost there. Okay, beautiful. Let's see if I can go live on TikTok. Yep. And that's a beautiful entry into the zone. Let's see how it goes. Okay. Transfer. I know I have some people in this live that likes going for early entry, but yes, it's in the zone. You can go for early entry. Okay, and just put your stop loss on 50 pips. Well, my entry zone is 17, 46, 15. SL 46.22. Okay, I know it will not even reach the 50 pips SL, but it's just a precaution. Come on, let's go. Oh, come on. Hey, go tapped into the zone and reverse. Well, there's early entry on 46.15. Okay, take that. Yep, I told my community for an early entry, so if you're in the community, you wouldn't have missed that. To my account, 7K. To my account. Let me just send 1K. I need to add more positions. I got 4 already. What's your stop loss on gold? Maximum stop loss is 50 pips. So you can make your calculation according to your entry. Anywhere you enter, mark your stop loss as 50 pips. So if eventually, of course, I have some very pretty much impatient members here. Yep, it's in the sell zone. You can take sell anywhere, yes. But the right zone is 17, okay? So if you had taken sell on 46.15, okay, just as an example, just add plus 50. That's 50 pips. You don't need to rack your head and start calculating what's 50 pips, what's 100 pips. Just add plus 50. So if you took it at, sorry, add plus 5, not 50, 5. So if you took it at 46.15, just add 5 to 15, okay, which is 46.20. So your stop loss will just be here, 46.20. So if you waited and if it gets to 17 again and you take it at 17, add 5, your stop loss will be at 22. Maximum 50 pips stop loss. Okay, so someone saying holy rejection. Well, cannot really say it's rejection. God is just trying to play with our feelings. This is what he's trying to do. Actually, there is FOMO, trying to create FOMO, and then you'll be scared. You see, nah, I don't want to miss out. Let me enter before I'll miss out, instead of waiting for the right zone, right entry points. Do, because yes, it has tapped the sell zone. Quite all right, yes, but it's best to wait for the right entry point. Yep, I'll even me out. That is very impatient, Seb. I'm not always patient. Okay, don't mind me that. Yes, I'm a very patient person. Not always. I've taken a sell already on 15. That's just it with my community. I told them early entry. So that's some holy rejection in the sell zone, which is what I want for a sell zone. Okay, so sell zone is very, very perfect. Pretty perfect. I love the rejection I'm seeing, and I want ma. So if possible, don't even go back to the sell zone. Just keep rejecting and going back down from there. Okay. Are you still asking what's your stop loss on gold? I've explained that, bro. Why do you guys keep asking that question? I've explained that. Oh God, holy nice rejection into the sell zone, bro. Okay, let's see how it goes. If this sell zone is gonna be valid, this is what I'm expecting. Not even if it's gonna be valid, because this point has just been points of interest for good. Broke out, tap back, sold to here, came back, we broke out, came back, broke out, retested here, and then sold, came back again, retested, sold. Now it has broken this structure and then came back into that zone again. Now it's selling, so probably you should expect this from good. From this point, I'm expecting a massive push of at least 200 to 300 pips. Okay, so well, the zone is active. Zone is active, and for early entries like my community, they've made it. So let's see where we are on this. Just 50 pips for early entry is enough. Well, I still have sell limit on 17. Don't think as if I've forgotten the zone because I took early entry. No, I'm still hoping it. I want it not to even come back to the zone because it has respected the zone. But still on that, I still have sell limits open in that zone. So don't forget to join my community Telegram link in bio. Telegram link in bio. Okay, let's pin this up. Telegram link in bio. Let's send it to the community. Of course, early entry mid. Let's see. Good. Everyone is on it. Active. Zone active. Okay. Yep. So, well, I love that rejection. This rejection has proved to me that yes, this zone is gonna be valid even if it comes back to the zone again. Yeah, so let's see how it goes. So good is heading back there again. I definitely think now will be the right time that it will get into the main entry points. So the stop loss still remains 22, guys. Okay, not passing there. That's your maximum stop loss, 22. That's my stop loss for any entry I've made. 22, 22, 22, 22. Almost there. There's like 10 pips to go. Probably in your broker it has even reached there though. Sell limit 17. Please. 17. Please. Stop loss 22. Please. Sell limit 72. 17. Stop loss 22. Please, like I've placed like 3 entries already on that zone. Well, good. Give us some profits. Okay, it's there right now. And this motherfucking bullish move is 22 is the stop loss, so I don't care. Anything it does is on its own. Well, I don't like this momentum. This is very strong. Damn. I don't like the way gold is entering there. Holy mother. Fucking strong momentum. I like it when it gets to my zone very low, not fast. I don't know what's pushing you, bro. Yep. So the zone is active, guys. Tap your screens if you're on TikTok. Don't forget to tap. Like, okay, so we are active. And then if you are on YouTube, also, you know the drill. Drop your comments, drop your likes. Have you made entry? If you have made entry, drop yep entry. Just comment entry if you have made entry. Or you can say yes, I'm in. All that. I think I'll appreciate that. Okay. So I'm not risking much on this trade, guys. It's just maximum 50 pips. Made your entry on 17, 18, anywhere. Just my stop loss is 22. I'm not passing that. I don't care what gold wants to do right now. My stop loss is 22. Okay, I think people likes once I say something. They like it when you repeat over and over again. Stop loss is 42.22, 6.22. I think that's it. And good is even getting there. To not even get there though. Well, our sell zone is active. Let's see how it goes. Okay. Let's see how it goes. Where is it? That's stop loss. 6.22. Good. Take us to profits, guys. Good. Take us to profit today. That's gonna be the prayer points. Well, it will. Let's drop it in the community zone active, right? Yeah, new one. Okay, it's now a waiting game to profit, right? So let's wait for it.
YouTube Premium, videos and music ad-free. One subscription, 2 apps. Try it free of charge.
Let's see if we're gonna get profits or loss today. Well, 50 pips. So don't forget to join my community Telegram link in bio, so where I drop my setups for free. Telegram link in bio, where I drop my setups for free, guys. Either winning or losing, I drop it for free. There is nothing to hide. Okay. You've got a flash goal. Okay. I think everyone is now quiet and and praying. Everyone is quiet. Nobody is talking again. Nobody is asking any question again. Everybody is now praying, bro. Let this zone be valid. Let this zone work. That's what everybody is praying for right now. Well, it's nice because nobody wants to lose. It's a very big blow to lose your money on what time? 11 a.m. It's very big blow, and then it's heading there. Okay. 30 pips more to stop loss. That's crazy. Well, I love the way it rejected at first. Very slow and very good, very demure. And then all of a sudden, I don't know where gold decided to get this very strong bullish momentum that is trying to possess right now, which I don't like. So let's keep looking. What? Someone is burning candle. Why are you burning candle? We're just waiting, not burning candle. All eyes on me. See, all eyes on gold.
YouTube Premium is ad-free YouTube plus the music app. One subscription.
Oh, come on. What the fuck? I don't like being skeptical about an entry this much. You're taking too long. You're gonna give us profit. Come on, give us that 10. Let's take it. I don't like what you're doing with our mind. You're just trying to play around. Well, I'm just seeing a little breakout of my 17, but breakouts, retest. Nah, come on, push all the way down from here, bro. Don't like what you're doing to me. This is today's sell zone, and gold is trying to play with our minds. We live on TikTok. We live on YouTube. Okay, so let's see how it goes. If we're gonna survive this, or we're gonna call it a day. Nonsense. Good. Why will you close above 17? Why the fuck will you close above 17? Why? Patience, guys. Are we selling or buying? Are you being serious? Oh, the market wants to close up that gap. Yep, that's why my stop loss is at 22. But pretty much this 15 minutes here closing above my 17 is a very, very bad idea, which shows I wanted it to at least tap from here and over. But you coming to push all the way and close above my 17, it's crazy, which is unacceptable from gold. Unacceptable. Live in New York session. Okay, we are still waiting. Is it too late to sell on gold? Is it too late to? Well, at the moment, it doesn't look like something that wants to respect my zone because it's just trying to play outside the zone right now. So I think you just need to wait and wait for a push, at least push down here, see a bearish engulfing, then take yourself. But for now, I think gold is trying to push all the way up. Well, you need to, if you are just joining this live, I won't advise you to just hop into, except you want to just follow the crowd and then take yourself. But my stop loss is 22. No matter where you entered, even if you entered at here 19, entered at 17, my stop loss is 46.22. Okay, so that's just it. If you want to follow the crowd, fine. If you don't want to follow the crowd, fine. What time frame are you looking at? It's always 15 or 30 minutes time frame. I think it's written here in case you don't understand. It's 1, you can see 1, and then 5 to 15. So if you want to follow the crowd, fine. If you don't want to follow the crowd, you can wait for at least bearish engulfing around here, then decide to take yourself. But my stop loss is 22 and we have made entry already, both on live, both in my community, everywhere. We've made entries already. Gold in zone. Zone is active. I hate it when you ask for TP. You don't need to be asking me. I'm not even replying anyone. Okay. Do I? Let me put the red line so that I'll know when it gets there. Red line, green lights, red lights, green lights. This is crazy, bro. I hate this.
This a war zone, homie. Say you ready and prepared. Take a minute, make them aware. Well, I'll be sneaking in the back, but it's worth the clap. Homie, life ain't fair. Caught me crawling through the mud where the vision saw it clearly. Born a shepherd to these sheep, make them fear me. This a war zone, trenched out, trap house, nothing ever given. Yeah, every day's a blessing. Thank the Lord, oh how I'm living. See me riding with my top down, no cops round, pedal pressing on the gas. I don't think I'll ever stop.
Annoyingly, wanna hit me? Okay. So this is just like trying to play with my heart. You're gonna feel, just feel already. If you're not gonna feel, give us the profit, bro. Well, so this is what I was seeing. Well, we have a very strong resistance here, right above here, around 4640 that gold has not been able to pass through. That's the all-time high, but once it gets there, it just rejects. Okay, so possibly gold wants to head back there again to consider selling, but now we are still here and we are still looking. Okay, we're still here and still looking. Let's see what good has to give us today. It has been playing in this zone for very long now. Over how many minutes? Okay, just over 15 minutes already here in this zone only, and it's getting annoying. Well, who else? Why will you get annoyed with something that gives you money? You need to be patient and wait for it. Anything it wants to do, as long as it will not hit your stop loss and it will give you profits, you need to just wait for it. Which is what we are doing. As long as good doesn't hit our stop loss, okay, and it keeps playing in the zone and later delivers 100 minimum pips, 200, 300, it's fine with me. Take your time in the zone, just be playing, but don't hit my stop loss. That's just it. Okay, so as long as it doesn't, it should take its time and keep dancing around, keep testing my patience, testing the type of heart I have. It's fine. Would you be able to explain why you selected that area as a target sell zone, please? Yeah, I would. But let it respect it first. If it doesn't, then fine. If it fails, then of course I will explain after it give us profit. But if it fails, then there's no need to explain again, because even if I explain, it didn't respect the zone. So what's to achieve there? Nothing. It's crazy. And also, I was immediately got here, and this 50 minutes candlestick closes above my 17, which is this point of interest here, this supply zone. Okay, immediately closed above there, took this high out. I was already saying, nah, I don't like that. I don't like it. I wanted it to just make a tap, at least just tap and reject, like the way this other candle did, this black one here, just tapped into the zone and rejected. I was expecting these two to do the same, tap and reject, but no. Look at it. It has, the next one has even closed above my sell zone, which is crazy. It's already outside my sell zone, which is very crazy. That's crazy. I think I still have 20 pips to stop loss. Wow. Don't think it's gonna hold. I don't think it's gonna hold. I don't think it's gonna hold. This is a failed zone, okay? Pretty much failed zone. So let's look to the clearer picture where gold is trying to head next. So probably gold is going to head here first before targeting to sell or not. But for me, I'll have to rest because it is what it is. I've ended. No, I'm not ending yet. Let's wait for my stop loss. I'm still in the entry though. My stop loss is still on 20. It was almost about to take me out, and it just said, no, I will not take you out. Let's see. Almost, look at it. Just like few pips, like 0.5 pips. Ah, God, it's crazy. So this is it. Sell zone has broken out, almost approaching stop loss at 22 with 20 pips left, and then that fails, then just mark this zone as another area of interest. So gold is at least gonna head there. Well, probably there's a reason for this bullish momentum, but this zone was pretty much valid. And once my zone is broken out, then just know that the highest thing good is gonna do is just to retest back into that zone and buy. If I have a sell zone and it breaks out that sell, the highest thing good is gonna do is retest back into the zone and then continue pushing up. Well, let's see how this one goes. We've been here for very long already. How many? 35 minutes already, and very patient, waiting, just praying for our faith. Change this color to blue. Almost there. This is just like the day of judgment. This is where spread is gonna play out. If you have a very big spread, I think it must have been taken out already. Or for me, my broker is still holding my trade though, but it's not good. It's not looking good. Not looking good at all. Okay, so it's official that this setup is gonna fail. SL will hit. Yeah, I know. I'm still waiting for that. I've accepted my fate already, but it hasn't hit. So, but I'm still waiting for that. So, okay, official. Let's go update the community. Come on, hit that 22 mark. Well, 50 pips lost today in the markets. Almost there. Almost. I think spread is trying to save me, but nah. Let me see if it has closed. Nope, it hasn't. Are you crazy, bro? There's like 0.5 pips left, and you still don't want to tap. You're already broken that zone already, so it's just gonna be a push from here. You're just gonna see a boost. So the next point I'll be even expecting gold to reach is 46.38 after here failing. Okay, as the next one, we can learn something new today. Yep. What do you want to learn today? Has it not hitting your stop loss? Because for me, with my broker, it hasn't tapped my stop loss on 22. I don't know for others that has huge spread, but for me, my spread is 0.2, so it has not tapped me yet, and I'm still looking. Okay. Gold. Why are you doing this, bro? But avoid loss. Do you want it? Yep, losses are avoidable, but you are not the owner of the market. All what you can do is analyze the market, mark your zones, and make your entry. Then it plays according to your zone. You're a good trader. You're happy. If it doesn't, yep, that's stop loss for you. So you can't just tell me your setup or your strategy will always be 100% for the rest of your life. You won't hit stop loss. That's a fat lie. You must. There are times that your points of interest will not respect your strategy. Yep, will not fall in place. Yeah, but what do you have to do? You just have to keep going. Well, and as I'm saying, as I'm looking at it, gold has not hit my stop loss yet. Look at it, just like 0.5 pips left to my stop loss, and it's rejecting, which is what I want. Just like 0.5 pips, almost at stop loss, and it's rejected. Okay, let's see how it goes. So, what's the only advantage I have is because I'm using Xness as a broker, and the spread there is 0.2. Okay, so it's only spread that saved me there. So if your spread is 0.5, just know that good has tapped you out already. If your broker spread is 0.5, 0.8, you've been tapped out. Well, if you're using Xness or Xness, my spread is 0.2 and I'm currently in this trade. My stop loss still remain for 622. It has not tapped me out yet. Okay, so try to use good brokers if you want to make some money. This is the advantage of using brokers with such spread. There is even zero spread though. So even if I have zero spread, it must be on exactly 22 before it taps me out. But for my 0.2 spread, it has not tapped me out yet. And good is trying to get back into the zone. Let's see. We are still waiting, guys. Damn. This is too long, but let's see if the patience is worth it. Okay, let's see if it's worth it.
With YouTube Premium, you can watch ad-free, offline, and in the background, and listen ad-free on the YouTube Music app. One subscription, 2 apps. Continue watching the highest quality videos from anywhere by seamlessly switching devices. Set up automatic downloads so your favorite videos are ready when you are. Play videos when your screen is off or when you use other apps. There's more to discover with Premium. Try 1 month free of charge.
So if you're just joining and want to hop into the trade, the stop loss still is 22. I'm not shifting, I'm not increasing, I'm not adjusting, still 22. So, and I explained if it's gonna tap me out on stop loss, probably might tap me out on this 22 and then reverse back, okay, or keep pushing up onto 46.38, which is the next point of interest for any further sell. But for this, it doesn't look good. What sites are you using? Of course, it's TradingView. I need to use the app though, but I haven't added it to my streaming software. And I'll prefer the app than the site, because this site is just showing everything I have on my dashboard, going all over, which is not what I want. Good. 7 minutes. Let me see how long I've been here. 53 minutes. Okay, nice. Oh, already 1 hour. Well, gold is trying to reject back into the zone, so the stop loss was not tapped out and we are still in the entry. But for YouTube, I've passed 1 hour. I'll have to end the live stream on YouTube and then continue on TikTok. Okay, see you guys on YouTube.